Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or commenting below. If you want to see more of my videos, press the subscribe button and click on the bell for notifications. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products to make these cards, you can visit my online store and the link is in the description box below. When you purchase Stampin' Up! Products through me, you can earn free products. Check out my current customer appreciation products on my blog, and the link is listed below in the description. Today, I am so excited to share with you a very special Sheetload of Cards template from Call Me Crafty. Her template this month is inspired by one of my past cards. This is the card that Alicia was inspired by, and I had created this card as one of my Artisan Design Team Assignments from Stampin' Up! And what she really loved about this card was the fun tear down the center, and she wanted to incorporate that into this month's template. So you can see here how the template is really similar to the card I created. So if you want to watch me create this original card, you can click on the link in the top right corner and it will take you to the YouTube video for this card. And I'm just really excited about this and to see all of the fun cards that you make. So please tag me in any social media posts. You can just do either hashtag Creative Chelsea or @Creative Chelsea so that I can see those. So for today's set of cards, I wanted to give the cards a different look and decided to do a horizontal card and minimize the gap in the middle. So you can see here that I have still torn the papers, but there's not as big of a gap. And so that's an option for you when creating your cards as well. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these cards. Make sure to also visit the other team members by clicking on their links or using the hashtag below. So this one's a really fun one. For this card, I flipped the patterns over and did not get any of the white inside. You can see here that you can see the white. It just depends on which side you tear it. One side will have the white and one side won't if you're using designer series paper from Stampin' Up! So that one doesn't have it, but all the rest of them do. I kind of liked how it separates the two colors. So some of the products that I am using today are the Forever Fern bundle. So let me share with you what that bundle looks like. So here's the Forever Fern bundle. The stamp set, I only used the greeting Love and Laughter Forever After. I didn't use any of the images on these cards, but I did use the die comes from the Forever Flourishing dies, which coordinates with the stamp set. You can cut out some of those leaf images as well as getting these really beautiful die cuts. So that die you can see here in the center, and I cut that out with some of the brushed metallic cardstock that you can get right now. So you can see that I've used a lot of patterns on these cards, and I used only 2 sheets of paper, just like the template says, but I used both the front and the back. So I mixed and matched all those pretty papers. And these pretty designer series paper comes from the Blackberry Beauty specialty paper. And the reason it is a specialty paper is because you can see here that one side has some gold foiling on it, while the other side does not. So just because of the way I tore the paper, this card does have a gap here. So if you wanted to show a gap, you can do that as well. Just again, on these cards, I decided to minimize that gap. So there are all of the cards. It makes 10 cards. And let me just share with you the paper and all the beautiful patterns. So this is a beautiful pattern. That one I did not use. I love the beautiful purples and the browns that you get with all this pretty paper. And then the other side is just regular patterns and does not have the foiling. So really pretty, and you can see some of those patterns that I used on my cards as well. I did use a little ribbon on my cards as an embellishment. This is the faux suede trim, and it's about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. but I wanted something even thinner, and so I did cut it down the center and then just did a really thin faux bow behind the greeting. Well, I hope you have enjoyed seeing my version of this month's Sheetload of Cards from Call Me Crafty. Remember, you can visit her YouTube channel to get your own free template. The link is in the description box below. Make sure to check out what the other amazing designers have created with this month's template as well. And again, their links are in the description, or you can use the hashtag below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.